Mandeville is known for its charming neighborhoods, scenic surroundings, and a blend of architectural styles that range from traditional southern homes to elegant waterfront properties. When it comes to upgrading your windows, choosing a design that complements your home's architecture is just as important as improving energy efficiency. Custom casement windows offer a versatile and stylish solution. With the right design choices, they can enhance curb appeal, increase comfort, and seamlessly blend with the unique character of your Mandeville home. Why casement windows are a popular choice? Casement windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door. Operated with a smooth crank mechanism, they provide excellent ventilation and a tight seal when closed. Their clean lines and large glass panels make them highly adaptable to various architectural styles. Whether your home leans traditional, coastal, or contemporary, casement windows can be customized to fit beautifully. Complementing traditional southern homes, many homes in Mandeville feature classic southern elements such as brick exteriors, shutters, and detailed trim. For these homes, custom casement windows can be designed with grid patterns that echo traditional divided light styles. Colonial or prairie-style grids add visual interest while preserving historical charm. Pairing casement windows with decorative shutters and matching trim creates a cohesive look that respects the home's architectural roots. Choosing frame colors that complement brick or siding, such as white, cream, or soft neutrals, further enhances authenticity. Enhancing coastal and waterfront properties. Waterfront homes in Mandeville often emphasize natural light and expansive views. Casement windows are ideal for this setting because they offer large, unobstructed glass panels. Custom designs can maximize glass area while maintaining structural strength. Slim frames in neutral tones or modern black finishes create a sleek look that highlights the surrounding scenery. Low-E glass options also help manage solar heat gain, keeping interiors comfortable while preserving those beautiful views. Matching contemporary designs for modern or newly built homes, custom casement windows can create a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Frameless or narrow frame options emphasize simplicity and openness. Black or dark bronze frames are increasingly popular in contemporary architecture, adding contrast and sophistication. Casement windows can also be grouped together to form larger window walls, enhancing both design impact and natural light. Custom sizes and configurations. Every home is unique, and custom casement windows allow for flexibility in size and configuration. Whether you need tall vertical windows for dramatic effect or smaller units for specific spaces, customization ensures a precise fit. In Mandeville homes with distinctive rooflines or architectural features, tailored window sizes help maintain proportional balance and visual harmony. Combining casement windows with picture windows is another popular design choice, offering both ventilation and expansive views in one cohesive arrangement. Energy efficiency. For Mandeville's climate, custom casement windows are not just about style, they also provide practical benefits. Because they close tightly against the frame, casement windows create a secure seal that minimizes air leaks. Modern options include double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings to help regulate indoor temperatures. In Mandeville's warm and humid climate, these features support energy efficiency and year-round comfort. Professional installation makes the difference. No matter how beautiful your custom design, proper installation is essential. Experienced professionals ensure that your casement windows are level, securely anchored, and properly sealed. This attention to detail protects against moisture intrusion and maximizes performance over time. A perfect blend of style and function. Custom casement window designs allow you to preserve the architectural integrity of your Mandeville home while enhancing comfort and efficiency. By choosing tailored styles, finishes, and configurations, you can create windows that feel like they've always been part of your home, only better. For homeowners who value both design and durability, custom casement windows offer a seamless, sophisticated upgrade that complements Mandeville's distinctive architecture.